Since the beginning of time, astronomers have looked to the skies, mapping the stars with stories, creating constellations and asterisms to help keep track of seasons and navigate in open waters. Today's astronomers have defined 88 constellations to help keep order in the sky. One of these constellations is Pegasus, the great winged horse. Galloping across the sky with Pegasi. According to Greek mythology, Bellerophon, one of the greatest demigods, rode Pegasus, and together they slew the Chimera, a mighty fire-breathing beast with the head of a lion, the body of a goat, and a snake's tail. After slaying the beast, they tried to fly up to Mount Olympus, the home of the god. But Zeus, angered by Bellerophon's hubris, threw him down to earth. After letting Pegasus join him on Mount Olympus, Zeus tasked the winged horse with carrying his lightning bolts. To honor his service, Zeus placed his image in the stars. In Hindu and Chinese cultures, these stars making up the constellation and some of those surrounding it are seen as moon mansions, which are the homes of the gods. The brightest star in the Pegasus constellation, Enif, makes up the tip of the horse's head at a distance of 673 light-years from Earth and is a K2IB type star with a magnitude of -4.19. The next brightest star is Shiat. This is an M2 star, which connects the foreleg to the body of the horse, and it's 199 light-years away from Earth with a magnitude of -1.49. Markab is the third brightest star in this constellation, connecting the body and the head of Pegasus. This star is 140 light-years away, with a stellar type of B9 and a magnitude of -0.67. Making up the back of the horse is the fourth brightest star, Algernon, a B2 type star at a distance of 333 light-years away, with a magnitude of -2.22. Matar resides at the end of the front leg and is the fifth brightest star, 215 light-years away. It has a stellar type of G2 with a magnitude of -1.17. The main shape of Pegasus is today known as the Great Square of Nothing. This is because it often looks like there are no stars inside the main body of the constellation. Attached to this are the head and front legs, which complete the winged horse. There are two constellations nearby. The first, Andromeda, shares the star Syrah with Pegasus and completes the horse's hind legs. The second is Pisces, the two fishes to the south. There are several galaxies and interesting stellar objects around Pegasus. The first is a cluster of 5 galaxies to the north called Stephan's Quintet. This includes 2 ellipticals as well as a spiral and 2 barred spirals. 2 of these galaxies are currently in the process of merging together. Near this, we find another galaxy, NGC 7331. This spiral galaxy north of Pegasus contains a supernova within. Across from this lies another galaxy, NGC 7217, which is a spiral galaxy. This galaxy is estimated to be about 41 million light-years away. It is also very unique in the way that the spiral arms are tightly formed. It has been found to have a ring of dust which forms a dark circle surrounding its nucleus. To the south of this constellation is NGC 7479, which is a barred spiral galaxy. This galaxy's main features includes a very asymmetrical structure. On July 27, 1990, this galaxy experienced a supernova, which is now known as Supernova 1990U. In between the head and front legs lies a very interesting star called 51 Pegasi. This star has a magnitude of 5.49 and can be found 50.9 light-years away from Earth. This sun-like star is the first of its kind to be found to have a planet orbiting it. Right next to the head of Pegasus is a globular cluster known as M15. This cluster contains 100,000 stars, and new evidence suggests that it might be a black hole at its center. Jones 1 is a planetary nebula with a magnitude of 14. It has the looks of a very faint broken ring and has O emissions, so it is seen to have blue color to it. There have been many modern interpretations to the Pegasus myth, which includes Walt Disney's Hercules, the recent remake of Clash of the Titans, as well as the popular show My Little Pony: Friendship is Magic. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire mentions these creatures as well, and the popular 1960s band, The Hollies, released their own homage to this horse.